How to fix Smart Hub is being updated on Samsung Smart TV. So first of all, go to Settings. From here, go to All Settings. Now, from here, go ahead and select Support. From here, go to Device Care. Now, from here you will see the option of Reset Smart Hub. You can select it in order to fix your issue. Another step you could do in order to fix your issue is that make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. If not, you can also check your network settings on your Samsung Smart TV. For that, you can go to Settings again and then choose All Settings. From here, choose Connections. Now from here, choose Network. And then from here, you can select the option of Reset Network Settings. Now the last step you could do in order to fix your issue is that just go back to the main settings page and then go to General and Privacy. From here, scroll down below till the bottom. And then you can select the option of Factory Data Reset. So if you follow all these steps, you will be able to fix the issue of Samsung Smart Hub being updated issue. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.